unique, especially in classics. These are getting fewer and farther in between. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, 2-owner truck, confirmed miles, 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500, 2-wheel drive regular cab, 4.3 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. A little over 89,000 miles on this 2-owner truck. You can see some blemishes right up here I kind of point out. So it's black in color. You're going to have some chips or maybe some little spots where it's been touched up here and there. Truck has been driven, but overall it still shows well. A lot of miles left in it. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Check out the bed. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock Chevy wheels. Take a look up and down passenger side of this. That's the regular cab short box in these, you know, little newer trucks that, again, you just don't see them as often as you're used to. Bent seat up front, 40-20-40. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear of the truck. It does have a roll-up tonneau cover on it. Also has a bed mat, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I have it pictured both ways with the tonneau cover rolled up, as well as the way you see it now. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Also a picture of the window sticker in with the still pictures of this vehicle, so you can look at the exact options that it came equipped with. So we check out the driver's side. See, nice reflection shine coming off that truck. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So power window, or excuse me, power steering, power brakes, AC does blow cold. And as you can hear the fan going. All right. There you go on the exact miles, 89,466. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Flashing a seatbelt since I don't have my seatbelt on. AM, FM stereo. We can power that up also.
At Mattress Firm.
Stereo working. AC controls. Cruise control, tilt column. Turn this down, check out the rest of the dash here. Nice shape. Same as the headliner. Good shape. Sounds like you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Just a good stack sounding Silverado. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop this hood real quick, and we'll check out the...
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hey, take a look at that hood liner. Nice and clean. Doesn't really look like this has been driven much for inclement weather. It's a 4.3 liter. Nicely equipped. Clean, tidy engine bay. Looking good under here. All right. There you go. Any questions, give us a call. 507-386-1726. 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive. 2-owner truck, clean Carfax. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.